How to add a custom button to product page in Shopify. Hey everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, I'll show you step by step how to do so. So first, just go to your online store, themes, and click on edit theme. From there, we simply just want to go to the default products page. So click on the top here and click on products, then click on default product. Now what I'm going to show you is going to be basically applied to all products. So it's going to be a general button. But if you want it to be specific to a particular product, for example, here for only, so basically you just want it to show for golden bracelet here, for example, what you want to do is just click on default product one more time, click on products, click on create template and name it the same name as the product that you want. Next up, just follow along the video, do the steps as we do. And then after we're done and we save, you simply just want to go back to your Shopify admin, click on the product that you want to apply the button to, scroll down, click on theme template and pick that template. This is how to make it specific. But in this video, I'm not really going to make it specific. I'm just going to do it in general. So there are two different ways to do so. The first one is going to be if you want to add a section, which is going to include a button. So doing so is very simple. You just want to go to the template option and click on add section. And we here have a hero banner, for example, which does actually have a button which we can customize. So if this is what you want, then just pick any section that has a button and you should be good to go. But if you want to add a button here within the details of the product, then what you want to do is click on product information and go beneath details or wherever it actually may be for your theme and click on add block. From adding the block, we simply just want to look up custom liquid. So click on view all and find custom liquid, which should be right over here. And you're going to find a code down in the description. You simply just want to copy it, come back here, paste it in here. Now you're going to find a link in that code, as you can see, which is going to be google.com. You simply just want to replace that to whichever link that you actually need. And also you have the option to change what it actually says. It says view size guide by default. So adjust these two different things and we should be good to go. The only thing left for us to do is basically just drag and drop it wherever we want it to be. With that being said, this is pretty much it for this video. Hopefully you found it to be informative and helpful. And for more information, subscribe to my YouTube channel and thank you for watching.